What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SS Tech tutorial. So guys, right now you can see I'm using the Fairphone 5 with the Ubuntu Touch operating system. By default, this Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system comes with this all-up application, but there are no desktop Linux application are installed on Ubuntu Touch operating system by default. But there is an option called Libertine, and using that option you can create desktop container on your Ubuntu Touch phone, and using that container you can install Linux desktop application on your mobile phone. So in this video I'm going to step by step guide you that how you can create a Linux container and install desktop application on that container on your Ubuntu Touch mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up the system settings. Then from here scroll up, and here you will get an option called Libertine. Tap on that option, and using that option you can create a Ubuntu Linux container on your Ubuntu Touch phone, and on that container you can install different Debian packages and application on your mobile phone. By default there are no container are created. To create a container, click on get started, and here you need to type a container name and set a password. If you don't want to set any container name or password, just simply tap on OK, and here it will create a container named Nobel number. Now tap on that container, then tap on this gear icon, then click on container information, and here you can see now a Ubuntu environment has been setting up on your Ubuntu Touch phone. Here you can see the status is installing. Now whenever the installation done, you will see ready status here, and after creating the container you can easily install desktop level application on that container. So just sit back and relax until you get the ready status of this container. Okay, so guys, here you can see container has been successfully created and the status is ready. Now go back, and now again go back. So this is our default Linux container. Now if you want to install any Debian based package or Linux desktop application on that container, tap on that container, tap on this plus icon, and here you will get couple of options to install the Debian package. You can enter the package name or Debian file. You can choose any Debian package to install, or also you can search for package on the package manager. So I'm going to click on search archive for package, and in this container I'm going to install the GIMP application. So I'm going to search here GIMP, then click on search. Then it's going to search for the application, and on this list you have to search the GIMP package. Here you can see the GIMP package, GNU image manipulation program. Tap on that package, and it will start installing the GIMP application on your Ubuntu Touch phone. It's also going to take some time, so you have to wait until the installation gets completed. To check the process, tap on that application, then click on view, and here you can see it installing. And whenever the installation gets completed, you can easily run that application from your Ubuntu Touch launcher or the application icon. It's going to take a while to get installed, so just sit back and relax until that application or package get installed on your Ubuntu Touch phone. When the installation gets completed, you have to quit this system application, then open up the launcher, then tap on the launcher, and if you didn't get to see the icon of GIMP application, just swipe down a little bit to refresh, and here you can see the GIMP application icon has been appeared. Now to run that application, tap on that icon, and it's going to run the GIMP application on your Ubuntu Touch phone. So guys, like this you can install desktop application on your Ubuntu Touch phone and install it on your phone, and also you can use this Type-C port to connect any Type-C monitor with your phone, and your phone convert into a Linux desktop. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.